This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use grids in Figma. First, open your Figma file and select a frame or artboard. Grids are essential for creating organized and visually appealing designs. They act as a foundational guide, ensuring all your elements are perfectly aligned and consistent. This consistency is crucial for a professional look and feel, making your design process much more efficient. To set up a layout grid, select your frame and locate the Layout Grid section in the right sidebar. Click the plus icon to add a new grid. From the drop-down, choose Grid and then customize its properties. You can easily adjust the cell size, which defaults to 10 pixels, and modify the grid line color and opacity to suit your visual preferences. For a column-based layout, add another layout grid and select Columns from the type drop-down. You can specify the number of columns, commonly 12, and define the margin and gutter widths. Margins control the space on the sides, while gutters are the spaces between columns. Experiment with stretch, center, or left types to achieve your desired layout. To maximize grid effectiveness, use them consistently throughout your project. You can combine layout and column grids for more intricate designs. Remember the shortcut Shift plus G to quickly toggle grid visibility on and off. For efficiency, save your custom grid settings as styles in your design library, making them easily accessible for future projects and team members.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.